Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google partner company. And we provide different solutions regarding Google Ads suspension, Facebook Ads suspension, Bing Ads suspension, also management and auditing, optimization, ad disapproval. So I'm here with a new case study regarding Bing Ads account suspension, and you know that restoring Bing Ads account over the time is becoming more and more strict and tougher, and it's getting very difficult for an ordinary people if their account is being suspended by Bing Ads, or also known as Microsoft Ads. And this was such a case with one of our client, and this was a suspension was for egregious violation, which is kind of a very strict violation. They tried appealing by themselves, they tried everything they could do, even doing advertiser verification, and they eventually failed, and then the case was being granted to us. So I'm going to show you a step-by-step case study on how we were able to get it resolved. So I'm going to show you first of all the messages. This was the first message the client shared with us, and it was: your account is currently blocked. There is because of suspicious activity. For privacy and security reasons, we cannot provide specific details. Okay, unauthorized use of payment. Then you can see over here that it is right now unauthorized use of payment, advertiser and other practices that may be misleading, harmful, or potentially unethical. This is a common error which people see, and or a suspected fraudulent activity. This was the message being shown to our client, and all the option he has is just to offer sign out. Okay, he tried everything, and then this was a second for them as well. Okay, and when they tried for appealing, and it was: your manager account is in violation of Microsoft advertising policies. You can also have a keep an eye on this as well, so because I'm going to show you the final email as well, so you can have an idea. As per Microsoft advertising terms and use of policies which you previously agreed to, we suspended your manager ads accounts and users. And he was like, how come I have a manager account? I'm using a simple account. So how come it shifted to a manager account? If you feel that this decision has been made in error, please submit an appeal. Appeal submitted more than 6 months after the suspended notification to super admins will not be reviewed as well. So when I started discussing, and they said that the problem is more with the manager account rather with the normal account. This was what was being conveyed to us by the client. And then this was another an email to him, and that was: we have determined that the content in your manager account is in violation of Microsoft advertising policies that you have previously agreed to. We suspended all ads and access to all accounts for all users within your manager account. If you feel that this determination of your violation was in error, please submit an appeal within 6 months. 6 months are huge. And you can see over here that the advertiser tried to do identity verification, which was also failed. And this was there over here, and it was concerned like, previously my account number was this, which turned into manager account. Now there is another manager account over here, and he was like, oh, what I did, I'm just new to Bing, and what's happening. So this was a very surprise moment for him, and which is why he shared the contact with us. And what we did was we prepared a full case, thoroughly reviewed the website, thoroughly studied the client history, everything, and then we started communicating with Bing Ads. Now understand that we have a team who actually supported, and when we explained the whole story to them, and as much as detailed we could, be a very detailed, thorough reply. This was all right. If that is the case, let me inform our account specialist about this, and I will share all the details with them so they can manually check the account and see if it's eligible for reactivation. And this was a kind of a hope and a relief for our client, that he finally saw the word of eligible for reactivation. So he was like very happy. And please note that the manual review will take 10 days, and he was happy that the account is going for finally for a manual review. So after this, you know this was another a detailed email from over there. And you can see over here that: hello, this is Adrenaline from Microsoft Advertising. I hope you are having a good day. I'm sending you this email to summarize your conversation concerning your concerns about having your account suspended. Since you don't have access to your Microsoft Advertising account, I was able to let you know that we will be sending this matter to our account specialist. Please be advised that it will take 10 days for us to consider this matter, and rest assured that I will keep you informed once our decision has been made. So it was a pure manual appeal with all documentation, which we use for Bing ad suspensions. And this was another case over here. And then finally, there was an email, from Bing, to our client, and the client was Microsoft Advertising. Hi, this is the same guy, who was communicating. Adrenaline. If I'm I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correct or not, but ignore it. Pardon me for this. I hope you're having a good day. I have already received a response from the account specialist, and they want to let you know that as part of our commitment to safety and quality, we have reviewed the decision to suspend your customer account and determined that it was made in error. We have removed the suspension, and your account is now live and eligible to serve in markets targeted where your content is compliant with the policy. We apologize for any inconvenience this has caused you or your business. If you have questions or if you wish to discuss this further, please feel free to reply to this email. You may also contact our support team at this between this time. So it was a moment of relief, and our client was very happy. I finally was able to get my account restored. So yeah, this is another successful case study regarding Bing Ads account suspension restoration. So guys, if you are looking for Bing Ads help, me and my team can help you. You can hire us for management, for account suspension, for Bing Ads audit. We also help with Google Ads, Bing, Facebook Ads, and SEO as well. So in case if you need anything, you can hire us. The link in the description, and we would love to work with you in optimizing your ads, solving your suspension, solving your ad approvals. We can help you with Merchant Center for Bing Ads as well as for Google Ads as well. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, guys get a notification regarding this. So yeah, once again, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.